Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Apple credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign into your Apple credit card, go and tap open your Safari web browser. In the web address bar, type in card.apple.com and search. Soon after you do that, sign into your card.apple.com account by tapping on the sign in button at the top right. Now, sign in with your Apple ID and password and you'll be able to log into your card.apple.com account. Once you're logged in, you can use your Apple Card on the web to check your account balances, make payments, and so much more. That is how you can easily log into your Apple credit card using your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.